Hi guys, welcome back to Saptech TV. In this video, I deal with the unboxing and setup of the new Amazon Echo Dot with clock. Before we move on, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Saptech TV and hit the bell icon to get instant updates on my future video uploads on technological tips and gadget information. This is the box I have received from Amazon, and here you can see the product. There is clock display and the light ring at the bottom, then the Amazon logo over here. Then some of the features of this product is written here. We have the LED display in this product, then 3.5 mm auxiliary audio output, Bluetooth connectivity, hands-free with Alexa, microphone on-off button. Then this product is compliant with all those applications like Amazon Prime Music, Gaana, Suno, Wipro products and things like that. Now, let me open the box. When you open the box, on the cover itself, the quick setup procedure is shown. In the first step, you have to install the Amazon Alexa app, and in the second step, you can set up the product. Now, I'm going to take the Echo Dot. It is spherical in shape. You can see various buttons on this. This is volume up and the volume down button, then microphone on off button, then we have an action button over here. This is the power socket, and over here we have the 3.5 mm jack. At the bottom we have the light ring. Now I'm going to remove the plastic cover. Okay, I'll keep the product here. This is a rubber sort of material, and the product sits comfortably on this base. And over here, it's a kind of plastic finish, and this is a kind of plastic and a rubbery finish. It's a combination of both. Now, this is where the power adapter is kept. Now I'll take it from this box. I'll connect the power adapter to the power socket. I've connected to the power socket and the power adapter to the wall socket. Now you can see the light coming up. It's blue and cyan in color. Now you can see the light ring color changed.
Your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Now we have got the message to download the Alexa app and follow the instructions. And this LED shows a welcome message. Now I'll open the Alexa app. It will ask you for the mail ID as well as the Amazon password. I'll give this required information. Now I'll sign in. I am Mohammed Sabir. Now I'll tap on allow to give the permissions. Now I'll tap on devices. Then I'll tap on add devices. I'll tap on Amazon Echo. Echo Dot Plus. Echo is plugged in and in the setup mode. Once your Echo is plugged in, the light will turn orange after about a minute, indicating that the device is ready to be set up. and you can see the orange light over here. So I'll tap on yes. I'll select the language as English. Then I'll give location access. Allow while using the app. Now I'm asked to turn on the Bluetooth.
Bringing your device online. Just a moment.
Echo Dot. And the passkey is shown. I'll give OK. Done.
Your Echo is ready.
Now the Echo is set up. I'll ask few questions to Echo. Alexa, increase the volume level to 10. Now you can see the letter 10 here. Alexa, what's the time in Florida?
Florida has multiple time zones. In Jacksonville, it is 8:49 a.m.
Alexa, is there any chance for rain here?
It might rain tonight. There's a 53% chance at 11 p.m. You can expect about 0.37 inches.
Sing a song for me.
You got something that
Because of the refreshed design of the new Echo, you will get louder sound and powerful bass. Alexa, stop. Now I'll show you the applications of these two buttons. This is microphone on off button. So when you press this button, you don't have to say Alexa. I'll just press here. Which is the tallest building in the world?
The tallest building on earth is the Burj Khalifa, which is 828 meters tall.
So when you press this button, it is as good as saying Alexa. All you have to do is just press this button and ask queries to the Echo Dot. And this is the mute button. Now the Alexa is muted and the light ring turns red. Hence, when the red light is on, Alexa won't listen to your voice input. This will be particularly useful when you use this device as a Bluetooth speaker and you don't want Alexa to respond to your voice. That's all about the unboxing and setup of the new Amazon Echo Dot with clock. Thank you so much for your time. It's a fabulous product, and if you want to place order for the product and purchase it, please click on the link provided at the description section of this video. So stay tuned for more tech related videos. Until I catch you in the next video, bye bye and take care.